Hello sa inyo at sa iyo na nag-request kung paano sa ukulele tugtugin ang Just the Two of Us. Yung song na to ay naging viral dito sa TikTok nitong lumipas na mga months and napakaganda nga naman niya. Can you imagine that a song that was released in 1981 at yung iba pang mga songs na luma naman na ay nadidiscover pa ng mga kabataan ngayon salamat sa TikTok. Nakaka-amaze yan. Ang kailangan lang natin ay 4 chords. F, E7, A minor, C7. So this is how you play F. And this is how you play E7. And this is A minor. And this is C7. Now for the strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Let's go! Para sa first verse, kailangan mo lang maging mild sa pag-strum. Ang gagawin natin ay isang stroke lang na down sa first line ng first verse. So, I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when a sun comes shining through. And then yung next line niya, dalawa. So, to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I wanna spend some time with you. So, tagdadalawa naman siya sa second line. Pagdating ng chorus, gagamitin mo lang yung same chord pattern na yon sa verses. Mas pwede mo nang i-apply yung strumming pattern na natutunan natin kanina na down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Pero, hahati mo yun sa dalawang chords. So, kung halimbawa, sa F, down, down, up, okay? Pupunta ka na sa next chord, down, up, down, down. And then A minor, down, down, up, then go sa C7, down, up, down, down. Alright? So, kung tutugtugin natin mabagal lang, yung chorus, ganito siya. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. So, kantayin natin. Just the two of us, we can make it if we try. Just the two of us, just the two of us, just the two of us. Building castles in the sky, just the two of us. You and I. So, ulitin mo lang yung same progression na yun ulit sa mga next verses niya at sa next niya pa na chorus. I hope that helped. Thanks for being here. Happy playing.